First video, can you believe it? What number is a multiple of 12, 16, and 18? Okay. This is the only one I'm going to show my process on my calculator for this video. So on this one, one thing you could do is you could start making a list. Multiple means that 12, 16, and 18 all go into it. I could just be like, okay, so there's 12, and then the next one is 24, and then there's 36 and 48, and I could start listing all the multiples of 12 and all the multiples of 16, all the multiples of 18, see where they intersect. Or you could just test these out, because that is way, way faster, and we are saving time because this is an ACT test. So, I am just going to go to the first one, which is 192. I'm going to show you my process. Alright, so 192 divided by 12 makes 16. So I know 12 and 16 both go into that one. And then 192 divided by 18 doesn't work. Alright, well that one didn't work. Cross that one out. 216. I don't know, I'm going to start with 18 this time. It worked, and it's 12. Awesome. So I know 12 works too, and if I divide by 16... nope, 13 and a half, not a whole number. All right, so 288 divided by 18 is 16, perfect, and 288 divided by 12 is 24. All right, so 18, 16, and 12 all go into 288. That means the answer is H. Last one. Okay, this is a rule that people forget all the time, and it is when to multiply and when to add when you have powers. So let me do just a quick reminder over here, okay? If you had a to the fourth times a cubed, that would be 4a's, this is like a times a times a times a, times another 3a's, which makes a total of 7a's. So if you're just multiplying the powers like this, you just add the exponents. Now, if you had something like this, a to the fourth to the third power, what that actually means is that there are 3 a to the fourths, which is a. All right, so that is 12a's. So in this case, when they're outside of these parentheses, that's when you multiply. But when you're just multiplying the bases, that's when you add the exponents. So, obviously I picked that A example for a reason. So this third power not only applies to that 4, but it also applies to this 5. So technically this is negative 5 to the third power times A to the fourth to the third power. Now we already know that A to the fourth to the third power, I did it right there, that's A to the 12th. And 5 to the third power, remember that's not 5 times 3, that's 5 times 5 times 5, which is 125, and it's actually negative 5 times negative 5 times negative 5, which is a negative 125. So that one is E, like elephant. Alright guys, that's it. In the comment discussion board, ask any questions about these 15 problems that you were confused on, and I will be happy to help you. I'm so sorry that my children didn't interrupt. I'm sure that they will in the future, so keep your hopes up, guys. It's going to happen. I will see you for test number 2 tomorrow. Bye.